check this out. Oh, okay, now get out of here.
Right in the Mobile, I'm going to head down to Georgia and go get my hammer from Negro. I'm going to go get Thor's hammer. I'm going to stick it right out of the palm of his hand. Truck said it. Bye, bye, bye.
Appreciate that. My kid's staring over my shoulder. Right there, kiddo. Say bye, Truck CB Sales. Say it.
Bye, Truck CB Sales.
Yeah, you too. Come on. Say Truck CB Sales. Say bye, Truck CB Sales. You know, say, come on, give it a microphone. Come on. Bye, Truck CB Sales.
Bye, Truck CB Sales.
All right, yeah. My daughter, yeah, my son. All right, Truck 73, man. I'll get out. Hey, D-Real, take care, too, my friend. 131. I get back with the family. I'm gone. Say bye. Say bye to Truck. You just say your Truck. Your Mustang Junior right there. Your Mustang Junior. Come on. Say bye to Truck. Truck CB Sales. Come on, Sam.
Bye, Truck CB Sales.
There you go. Hey, yeah, say bye, Truck CB Sales. Come on, yeah, get by the microphone.
Bye, Truck CB Sales.
They looked at me like I'm retarded. This is a retarded hobby. Boy, we're retarded. Hey, D-Real, take care. And hey, Truck. Yeah, this is a retarded hobby. I gotta run. I'm 31. I'm gone.